So we're now going to be looking at two different types of multi-lane spiral roundabouts. The first one that we come up to, the lane's going to split before we get onto the roundabout. We then get into the correct lane and follow it around the roundabout to where we want to go. So this first roundabout, I'm going to be taking the third exit right towards M4. So I can just see the lane splitting now, so I get into the right-hand lane. What I then have is this lane splits into two. So I'm going to get into the left of the two lanes. Once I get on the roundabout, I then follow this lane. The reason we want to get into the left of the two lanes if we have a choice is so that when we exit the roundabout, we exit in the normal driving lane. So as you can see now, I'm in the middle lane of the roundabout, but as it spirals me outwards, once I get past this next exit, I will be in the outside of the roundabout, exit the roundabout, and I'll be coming off in the left of the two lanes, so the normal driving lane. The next roundabout we're going to come up to, we're going to go in a similar direction, so we're going to be going right, third exit, and we're heading towards West Swindon. So what I'm looking for are the signs, potential road markings, and I need to get into the correct positioning. So I get into the right-hand lane, and what I'm looking for now is the sign just down by the roundabout that tells me if I'm going right towards West Swindon, I need to be in the far right-hand lane, or lane number 4 on approach. But as I get up to the roundabout and I look ahead at the roundabout and what happens to my lane, I can see that when I get on the roundabout, my lane splits into two, just here. So I'm going to stay to the left of the lane, which will then exit me in the normal driving lane as we come off the roundabout. So I'll follow it out to the outside of the roundabout and exit, staying to the left because there are two lanes that exit here. And then I'm in the normal driving lane.